Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Then click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!